Welcome to Vidhi Samadhan, Vidhikarya Center for Dispute Resolution or VCDR. We at VCDR provide a platform for the parties to settle their disputes with ease. As you know, our judicial system is overburdened with huge number of cases and due to which the litigants are facing multiple problems. Filing cases in courts is not only a complex and time-consuming but is also a costly affair. And due to those reasons, the people find it cumbersome to move a court for dispute resolution. Nonetheless, the procedure itself is quite time-taking. So, what is the solution for those problems? There must be a system which is fast and economical and has outcomes which are as effective as a court. The countries around the world are looking forward to the newer ways of resolving the disputes, and alternative dispute resolution, or ADR as they say, has been a remarkable step towards it. With the advent of technology, ADR can be conducted in a virtual mode called ODR, Online Dispute Resolution. Vidhikarya Center for Dispute Resolution, or VCDR, is a technology-based platform which enables its users to participate in dispute resolution and helps them to settle their matters outside the court in an easy way. Vidhikarya has a base of 6,000 plus lawyers from across the country who can support the dispute resolution process by being the presiding officers. The VCDR services are available for both individuals as well as corporates. On VCDR platform, any kind of dispute between the parties can be settled using the principles of arbitration, mediation, and conciliation. Some of the examples of types of matters which are being handled are banking, insurance, credit cards, telephone bills, loans, consumer, family, marital, contractual, etc. Resolving the disputes through VCDR has many benefits. As said earlier, we have a pool of 6,000 plus lawyers and thus proceedings can be conducted in local languages. Also, our processes ensure that they are fast and smooth, economical, hassle-free, and the outcomes are legally binding too. So, if you are looking for settling a dispute with ease and in a fast manner, then please visit our site or write to us at vcdr@vidhikarya.com.